Hi guys, it's Nunu and I am in our assignment, what is your rhetorical focus for your research paper? I'm going to go over the directions with you and let's begin first with this helpful video that you have. You just have to click on it, developing a rhetorical focus for an essay. I created this and I showed it to you in class so you can review the rhetorical focus here. Let's scroll down. Of course, you are listening to my helpful note to you right here. A note from Nunu about this assignment. That comes next after this title of the assignment. And looking down, we have our timeline, post your work by Sunday evening, our overview, what this assignment is about. So this assignment will remind you why a rhetorical focus is vital to a cohesive essay and help you to make sure that your rhetorical focus for your research paper is logical, that it makes sense. But what is this word cohesive? Well, cohesion, the act or state of sticking together tightly. That is a good adjective or noun in this case, cohesion, to apply to an essay. We say a cohesive essay, it sticks together tightly, and how does it do that? It has a good rhetorical focus. Everything flows from the rhetorical focus, all of your thoughts, all of your transitions. So a good rhetorical focus will help you to write a cohesive essay. Okay, so what are our directions? First, number 1, read and complete the exercises in Chapter 2 and post them in this assignment. Copy and paste your work for Chapter 2 onto the screen in this assignment. So you'll complete your work on a computer and you'll copy and paste it in this assignment. Number 2, then tell me, after you do the Chapter 2 exercises, then tell me what a rhetorical focus is. And you can see the video up above right here for rhetorical focus. You can see the video and Chapter 2 for help. Okay, so, and you can detail the rhetorical focus that you have developed for your term paper in this class. Okay, so you're going to tell me what a rhetorical focus is and detail the rhetorical focus for your term paper in our class. Now, as you know, our topic is why are student success rates so low in American schools and what's the solution or solutions to this problem? Okay, after you detail your rhetorical focus, explain why you developed the rhetorical focus that you did for your research paper, and explain too if your rhetorical focus changed during the semester as you thought about the research paper topic. Now, I have an example here for questions 2 and 3, what it should look like. So please click on this link. And you would put your first and your last name, my name, our class, the day, the month, and the year. And explain what a rhetorical focus is, the possible rhetorical focus for your term paper, and your reasoning for your rhetorical focus and how your rhetorical focus might have changed during the class. Now, let me click back here on the back arrow to get back into our assignment. Why would your rhetorical focus perhaps change? Well, it might change as you got to know, as you became more familiar with this topic, why are student success rates so low in American schools? And what's the solution or solutions to this problem? You may have thought the problem is teachers, or they're talking too fast, and sometimes that is the case. Or that it's students, they don't do their work, or your thoughts might have developed as you studied this topic and read articles. You might have decided that, well, poverty and racism play a really big role, particularly for African Americans and Hispanics. And you only have to think of the rhetoric of the wall to know that there's racism against Hispanics, and you see it in the poverty rate. So your thoughts might have developed and you might have had a lot of different ideas, okay? So that is our assignment. You have a lot of examples. I'm here to help you in inbox. Remember, you just click on inbox to reach me. Whoops, it's saying unauthorized here. Let me leave the student view so that I can go into inbox. I had a student view of our assignment, so it wouldn't let me into inbox, and now it has. So inbox, you would just click on this icon. You would select our course, which is this one right here, Fall 18, 16 weeks. The theme, it starts with why student success rates are so low. You would write my name, start with the first couple of letters, NUA, and you'll come up with Nuala Linka-Evich, right? chapter 2. Whatever the topic is you need help with, and if it's chapter 2, write me a message, send it to me, and I will see a number here, and that will be the number of emails I have. I have 3 right now, and 1 would be from you, and I would answer your question. Okay, so if you have any questions or concerns about this assignment, chapter 2 of this little book about how to write a college level essay, I am here to help you. All right, have a great, safe, wonderful weekend.